Hey guys, it's been a while. Scott Rod's Garage here. We are on a Tuesday, rainy day outside here in Texas. I'm sure halfway across the nation too. But this 55 is getting some work done on it. We are installing a new Lokar overdrive shifter with sport mode, meaning you can shift it over and then you can manually shift up and down through the gears with it. It's a new feature they just came out with. We're going to install it on this 55 with the Connect and Cruise GM Performance transmission and the LS3 engine. We are also installing a new set of Dakota Digital gauges, brand new. Instead of having a bunch of wires that wire them up, they're all piggybacked with the serial cable or Cat5 cable. So we'll be getting those in. You'll see that probably within the next couple of days. As you can see, I've got to fix a big hole in the floor. Got my template there, getting it all measured out and ready to get put in. Then we've got new accelerator pedal from GM to put in. As you can see, a bunch of wires. This thing was horrendous with bad wiring from somebody. If you see this video and you know who you are, you shouldn't be working on cars, plain and simple. So, cut to the chase. We're getting it done. Y'all keep watching. Get your umbrellas out because it's wet.